are a number of different people involved in our nominations process, so we'd like to share some of their roles with you now so that you can see that the decisions we're making are robust and equitable.
I have nominated quite a few colleagues for the LSW Fellowship. It involves really working closely with the nominee, working out their CV, their expertise, their skills, and ensuring they fit closely to the benchmark criteria. It involves also finding an informed supporter who can really provide an overview of their career trajectory to date, and also to providing referees who can really reinforce and confirm their excellence as potential fellows.
As a fellow of the Learned Society of Wales, I'm passionate about my role in proposing and making a case for those people we believe have the potential to be future fellows. I'm privileged to get an opportunity to support and work with my colleagues to help them produce a meaningful and well-written nominations on their behalf.
So I and my fellow VP for STEM, the two of us manage or have overall oversight of the nomination and election process for Fellows of the Learned Society of Wales, and ensuring that there's equity across all the different scrutiny committees that look at the nominations from the various nominees.
I am an independent member of a scrutiny committee, and my role is to sit in the committee meetings to make sure that the committee members are doing the things that the society professes.
So I chaired one of the subcommittees which was specifically focused on applications from social scientists. And what was really fantastic this year were the applications we had from colleagues who were from non-traditional backgrounds. People who'd come perhaps from industry, from the NGO sector. We want to encourage colleagues from across all areas with all sorts of backgrounds to become fellows of the Learned Society.
We define learning and the world of learning in a very democratic way, an open way. So the contributions that potential fellows may make to learning in Wales goes wider than simply the academic sphere.
It is very important that we have committees like that. That's because the society prides itself in embedding values of anti-racism, of equity in particular, and inclusiveness. But we need to be able to ensure that we are actually practicing what we preach. And the one way to do that is to ensure that there is consistency across board on all our activities. The scrutiny committee enables us to do that.
We want to encourage nominations from all walks of life within Wales, and indeed people who work outside Wales as well, but have a connection with Wales. So we have two streams for academic nominees. We also have a stream which is for people who work in the professions, industries, large companies and similar bodies outside academe, who also have outstanding track records of achievement in the field in which they work.
We hope you now have a sense that our process is open, inclusive and fair. Please don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any questions at all.